drive responsibly and drive safely.
Do not want any passes on the outside. This is incredibly dangerous.
So enjoy your cars. As we enjoy the creation, we should also thank the creator.
So I appreciate each and every one of you guys for coming here to support our anniversary meet. And of course today we are also celebrating 7 years of Second Skin industry.
You reaching for the shit that we attract. Get back, bitch, stay out my lane. Two ahead of them, they still try to gate. No pretending like this isn't my game. Stop pretending like you isn't afraid. Look at spit, guess you isn't as paid. This ain't hunger for no minimum wage. This that hunger that can't live with a taste. This that hunger that need everyone's play. I ain't saving face, this is fake. I ain't saving space for the bait. You can play the game.
In behalf of BYD Cars Philippines and AC Mobility, thank you for inviting us, making this happen.
Wala naman kami ibang iniiling, kumbaga palakasin lang natin yung industriya, yung automotive industry. Kasi nasa kultura na nating Pilipino yan.
We are here to support you. So please enjoy the sport aspect of vehicles, the performance, acceleration, the steering, and e-control feel. I love that, and then you like that. So let's enjoy. Thank you very much.
Ang automotive industry sa atin sa Pilipinas buhay eh. Maraming mga Pilipino, nasa dugo natin, mahilig tayo sa sasakyan at motor.
The Unity Track Day and Car Meet is super important because it's allowing us to gather a lot of people to have them experience their car in a safe environment.
We have beautiful cars, we have beautiful roads, and we have the beautiful people. This is so important for us, the Filipinos.
We are very glad that we are one of the sponsors for this event and looking forward to have more car racing and the event, and also we welcome all the potential drivers.
So as you can see, we have available test drive of our new X-Trail e-Power so that we can experience the customer the power of the X-Trail, especially the e-Power itself.
We in Speed 7 Corporation, we are happy to serve the Philippine automobile industry because we are bringing you the best of the best.